Alright everybody, here we are at the Garden of the Gods trading post. Little kid losing their mind in the background right there, it sounds like, but got my mask on. I guess they require a mask per Manitou city ordinance, so let's go in and see what it's about. It's probably just one of your run-of-the-mill gift shops, but we'll see what's going on. Inside the trading post, everybody, as you can see, it's very tourist-oriented. You can pick up all your knickknacks and curios and coffee mugs and all that stuff, anything a tourist needs when they come to Colorado and Garden of the Gods. I'm probably going to pick up a few things, but yeah, it's a pretty cool little place for the tourists to come. They got a cafe, and they got a place that serves Starbucks products and some real good fudge from what I hear. So yeah, this is the inside of the trading post here at Garden of the Gods.
A few moments later.
Alright, so that was the trading post here at Garden of the Gods. Typical tourist thing with a bunch of Colorado stuff, local Native American art and stuff like that. So, on our way to the next location. Alright everybody, here we are at a nice little lookout point, as you can see over my shoulder here. It's got a nice view of the front range, and also we've got ourselves a wedding going on over here. And as you can see, beautiful view of their Cheyenne Mountain right there. And there's all the front range right here. And there's Pikes Peak right there. And then there's a wedding happening right there. Oh, isn't that lovely? But let's go ahead and walk across here, see if we can't get a better vantage point. Alright. So, this is sort of what you're seeing over here. There's the springs over there. Old Colorado City and Manitou over there. And then there's Pikes Peak. Yeah. Just a nice little overview here, nice view. Ladies and gentlemen, you should hear the conversation going on between the wedding party and the photographer. The photographer asking if the most agile groom and bridesmaids, do this and do that. It's a pretty funny conversation coming on over here, but gotta love tourists, they gotta do their thing, you know what I'm saying? Without them, the city of Colorado Springs wouldn't be here because we depend on tourist dollars, sadly. But again, another nice view over my shoulder, but yeah, and you should hear the conversation going on. But hey, it's Garden of the Gods. People love it here for some reason. Alright, on to the next spot. Alright everybody, and the last stop for you filthy animals today is going to be the Garden of the Gods Visitor Center. It's just right over there, so let's get out and see what it's all about. Here we are walking up to the Visitor Center now. Offers some nice views of Garden of the Gods in the valley over here. There's the sign for the main entrance. Looks like there's a cafe and a lookout up here, but we'll find out more once we get inside.
A few moments later.
Alright, rookie mistake. I forgot my mask, so I'm having to trudge my way back to the car to get it, but that's how it's been all day, so oh well, gotta do what you gotta do, right? Alright, got my mask, now it's time to walk in and see what the visitor center's all about. Sorry for the poor audio quality, but we are in the exhibition hall, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of pretty cool things around here. Got a big old exhibit hall showing the flora and fauna. Right behind me is the early Coloradans, the early people that lived in this region, all the Native Americans, and what they used buffaloes for right here. Pretty much everything you'll see there. I mean, it's pretty cool. As you can see, here's some interactive exhibits. Some of the native wildlife you'll see here. Pretty cool, very informative if you like that kind of thing. Now folks, what we have here is the geology of not only Colorado but the Garden of God. You can see all the different rocks that make up Garden of the Gods right here. Gives you a little bit of history, a little bit of info about plate tectonics and everything, how all the continents got to where we are now. Again, some more information. Some stuff about the dinosaur found here in the region, and about all the fossil history here in Colorado, which has a lot. And then we have a little thing about Colorado's geology right here, and then it shows you got all the different colors of the different rocks and everything, and then here's a little key that shows what all those colors mean. But yeah, I always found geology pretty cool, so this is a pretty cool exhibit. Definitely got to check it out here at the Visitor Center, that's for sure. Alright everybody, out on the observation deck here at the Visitor Center, and can't get much better views of Garden of the Gods than this. I mean, look. This is God's country right here, ladies and gentlemen. Can't get much better than this. Then here's a little plaque. Sort of show what we're looking at here, but a very beautiful day here at Garden of the Gods. A lot of people here and I mean, it is pretty beautiful. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this was my little day trip here to Garden of the Gods. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And yeah, this is Ricky Bra. Hoping to bring you more content like this soon. But until then, keep the change, you filthy animals.